Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. So let's jump into it. This was a complicated math question that got a lot of people confused. So let's read the question carefully and then come up with a plan and see where people got tripped up on this one, okay? Because I think understanding where you got tripped up will help you get to the answer better, okay? So a salesperson is trying to determine how much to suggest for a listing price. The lot is worth $20,000. The house is 1,500 square feet at $50 per square foot, and a 6% sales commission is to be included. The price that will meet this is. Now, what you could do is you could take a 6% commission off of each one of these and see which one would come to 95,000, because 95,000, so follow this, and this is where people got tripped up. The lot is 20. The home that's on it is 1,500 square feet and it's priced out at $50 per square foot. So the lot and the home price are 95,000, okay? So what you could have done is seen which one, subtracted 6% off of each of these and seen which one would have gotten you to that. That is one way to approach this problem. And some of you might have taken that approach. And with the amount of time that you have for the test, that is a fine approach. You will come to the right answer. It's just it will take you the entire thing because the answer is D. And I will tell you how to get there a little quicker. So once you've identified that the lot and the home are 95,000, we know that that is a smaller number than what the gross is, what the number is that you are looking for. So what happens is this: it is time for you to identify the part and the base and the rate. I have done part and base and rate formulas before, so if you have to go back through some of my videos, what I'll tell you is this: the 95,000, because it's a smaller piece, is going to be the part, okay? And then we know the rate at which we took that part, and that's 94%, right? That's 94%. So we know the rate. So if we divide 95,000 by 94%, we're going to come up with $101,063.83 rounded up to the nearest dollar would give you D, $101,064. Hope that helped you out, guys, and have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow.